Garlic mashed potatoes can be easy and quick to make, or easy and take a little more time. We're going for the quick method. At the end of this lecture, I will point you towards what to do with the leftovers, if there are any. A russet potato that is 5 inches by 1.5 inches is 8 ounces. Gold potatoes or red potatoes, 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches, are 4 ounces. We need 1 clove of garlic for each 8 ounces of potato. Cut the ends off of the garlic, remove the paper, and cut it in pieces that will not go through your colander. Russet potatoes need to be washed, peeled, and quartered and put in your pan with water. If you use a pan that you can use your ricer or your mixer in, then you don't have to dirty another bowl. We don't want to use non-stick, unless that's all we've got. The Yukon Gold or the red potatoes don't need to be peeled. Wash them, take out the eyes, quarter them, put them in your pot with water. When the potatoes get finished, those little pieces that peel will add texture and color. Boil the potatoes and the garlic together until the potatoes are nice and soft. Your garlic's going to be done. There's no need to roast the garlic ahead of time. Put it in with the potatoes. When the potatoes get done, the garlic will be done. Put them in your colander. Drain them. Put them back in the same pot. We don't need to use another saucepan to melt our butter and stuff. We're just going to put it in here. Add unsalted butter, a little bit of milk, some pepper. Use your ricer or your mixer. That's going to depend on the texture that you want for your potatoes, which one you use. They can be garnished with a little parsley, a little bit of chopped onion, or my favorite is garlic chives. You can buy these in your produce department. They grow real good in a flower pot. I have these in my front yard because we have 2 little dogs, and chives are poisonous to dogs. Wash them and cut them with your scissors or chop them on your cutting board. They're really good on the garlic mashed potatoes. If you have any leftovers, put them in the refrigerator, get them nice and cold, and scoot on over to the lecture on potato cakes. Next time you make garlic mashed potatoes, you just might want to put a couple extras in there so you can make your potato cake.